Hi guys, it's Michael here from Vicon Coatings. Have you got a concrete or stone driveway that's lost its appeal? Is it slippery or covered with organic growth? Are you tired of cleaning it with a karcher or gurney and getting unsuccessful results? At Vicon Coating, we specialize in all outdoor concrete and stone surface cleaning. We have the right knowledge and specialized equipment to get the job done the first time. Also, to keep the stone and concrete clean for longer, we have a specialized variety of sealers that we have to offer for you. If you need help with your driveway or paving, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll look after you. Let's take this transformative journey together. Thank you. Have a look at just some of our amazing transformations that we've done for our amazing customers. Thank you.